Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 English idioms to get motivated fast. Number 1, light a fire under someone. It means strongly motivate someone to act quickly. Example, the coach's speech lit a fire under the whole team. Number 2, rise and shine. It means wake up and start the day with energy. Example, come on, rise and shine, it's time to practice English. Number 3, keep your chin up. It means stay positive in a difficult situation. Example, you didn't pass this time, but keep your chin up and try again. Number 4, hang in there. It means don't give up, continue despite difficulties. Example, learning new idioms is hard at first, but hang in there and it gets easier. Number 5, grit your teeth. It means force yourself to endure something difficult. Example, I just gritted my teeth and finished my homework before watching TV. Number 6, get your act together. It means become organized and work more effectively. Example, if you want better marks, you need to get your act together this semester. Number 7, head in the clouds. It means be unrealistic or overly dreamy. Example, he always has his head in the clouds instead of working on his goals. Number 8, roll up your sleeves. It means prepare to work hard. Example, they rolled up their sleeves and helped their neighbors clean up after the storm.
Number 9, nose to the grindstone.
It means work hard and steadily. Example, she kept her nose to the grindstone for weeks and finally passed the exam. Number 10, take the bull by the horns. It means to face a difficult situation directly and confidently. Example, he took the bull by the horns and spoke English during the whole meeting. Now it's time to see if these idioms lit a fire under you. Pause, check the quiz below, then comment your answers. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.